Hey guys, Be Twice here. Today is Sunday, August 1st. Hope everybody is having a good weekend. Today we're going to be taking a look at the bull case and the bear case for Nio, a Chinese-based EV stock. We're going to look at the yearly first on the bull case, and then we'll dive into the bear case. So, going back to all-time highs that we got back in January of 2021, right around it looks like the mid 60s. That was a cycle wave one, and then we had this complex correction. Um, a series of WXY moves to the downside, which took us to our wave two bottom that actually bottomed somewhere between the 50% retracement and the 61.8% retracement. So I'm thinking that this was bottom. So now let's take a deeper dive into where we are going. Okay, so what we've seen since we found bottom is that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had a 5 wave move to the upside, which gives us a higher degree wave 1. We pulled back for a 2. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, taking us to a 3. We pulled back for a 4, and then we had a 5 wave move to the upside for a 5, which takes us to a higher degree wave 1. So we hit our higher degree wave 1 back here when Nio hit $55 a share. Since then, what have we seen? Okay, well, we had a three-wave pullback. We had an A, a B, a C to take us to a W. We had a three-wave move up for an X. Then we had an ABC move down for a Y. So back here, we've bottomed for Y. So the bull case says, hey, we've already found our Y bottom, and that it was right at the 61.8% retracement of the entire move up. This is the most common place to find bottom for a wave two. So with that being said, it is a really good chance that we did find our wave two bottom here at $38 a share last week. And now what are we seeing going forward? So what we're seeing going forward is, let's see if we can get a little deeper dive on the monthly to make it look easier. Okay. So what we're seeing is a minute 5 wave impulse to the upside. So we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5 to take us to a higher degree wave 1. Then we're going to pull back for a 2. We're going to pop up for a 3, 4, and 5. We'll pop back to the 3 months so we can see it. Where that should take us is we should be seeing some downside soon just because we're going to be finishing this 5 wave move to the upside. And then when we see that downside, we should catch support somewhere in the $40 area. And then ultimately, after this impulse to the upside, we should see us back somewhere in this mid 50 range. So that's what I have for the bull case. Now let's jump into this bear case. Okay. So the bear case, I still have our wave two bottom being the exact same thing, the cycle wave two bottom. The cycle wave two bottom still says, hey, the bottom was in back here at this $30 a share. Now I put this red line on here because this is invalidation. If we go below basically $30 a share, that means our cycle wave two bottom is not in and we could be going significantly lower. We could be going to 20, we could be going to 10, who knows? I just don't think that that's plausible unless there's a complete market crash and it just appears that our wave two cycle bottom is in. So with that being said, this same impulse to the upside still exists, and that we're still looking for a bottom wave two. So in my opinion, the bear case is telling us almost the same thing that the bull case is telling us. It's just telling us that our corrective sequence now is not finished, meaning that we did not find our wave two, our primary wave two bottom back here at 38. We're going to head lower. So the bears are saying, hey, we had an A, B, C move to the downside, which was a W. We popped it for an X. We had an A, B, C move down, giving us another W, a higher degree W. We're going to have a 3 wave move to the upside. So this wasn't an impulse. This is a ABC move. We're going to ultimately get rejected somewhere up here, and that we're going to be heading lower to finish off our Y, and then that will be our wave two bottom. So the bears are seeing us going down to about $33 a share, or somewhere in that ballpark, if the bottom wasn't already set at the $38 mark. I favor that the bottom was set at the $38 mark, but where we currently stand, this is still a valid count as well. So you have to be mindful of the levels to watch. But either way, I am bullish Nio long term. I think it is a good stock to hold. So with that being said, hope everybody has a good day.